In this video, we will prove this formula here. So the measure of angle X is equal to the measure of the arc angle B minus the measure of arc angle L, where B represents the bigger arc angle and L represents the smaller angle. This, for example, is called a secant-secant angle. This right here is called a secant-tangent angle, and this right here is called a tangent-tangent angle, because here's a tangent-tangent, here's a secant-tangent, and here's a secant-secant. And so first we will solve this one example problem. If we want to determine the measure of angle X, we can use this formula here. So the measure of angle X is equal to 1/2 parentheses 100 degrees minus 40 degrees. And so we would get 60 degrees times 1/2. And so the measure of angle X is 30 degrees. But we will verify this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is create a triangle inside. And we know that angle Y is equal to angle X plus angle Z. And if that's confusing, you can think, what is this angle right here? You know it's a supplementary angle. And so this angle right here would be 180 minus Y. And we know a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus X minus Z is still this value here too. Now, if that still was confusing, I'm just highlighting this blue angle. And so this blue angle here is 180 minus angle Y. Likewise, the whole triangle adds up to 180 degrees minus X minus Z would give us the same blue angle. And so this is what we have. 180 minus Y is equal to 180 minus X minus Z. The 180s cancel. And we would get negative Y is equal to negative X minus Z. And so you could say that angle Y is equal to angle X plus angle Z. Now we will apply inscribed angles. And if you're not familiar with inscribed angle, you should check out my last video on it. So angle Y is an inscribed angle from here to here. And so it's an inscribed angle of 100 degrees. And we know inscribed angle would be 1/2 100 degrees. And so we know that angle Y is 50 degrees. Likewise, angle Z is also an inscribed angle. And it's an inscribed angle of this 40 degrees here. And so we know that Z would be 20 degrees. And so we will use that equation. Y is equal to X plus Z. We know Y is 50, and we know Z is 20, and so we can solve for X. And so X is equal to 30 degrees. And so if you ever forget the formula, you can always apply inscribed angles. And that's pretty much it for this video.